Spring has always been my favorite season. It's full of colors and fast changing. But I have noticed something unusual about spring. Maybe some of you also have. That spring is getting earlier and warmer. This sounds like good news, right? Because we can enjoy everything good about spring earlier and maybe even longer. But is it really good news overall? My research suggests that the answer is no. I study ecosystem response to climate change and its impact on water resources. Many scientists agree that due to climate change, the spring is getting earlier and warmer. When the spring is getting earlier and warmer, the plant will start to grow early because they feel the favorable conditions. When the plants start to grow, they will use water from soil. That's why I argue that therefore, the plant will use more water from the soil during the spring. But the amount of water in the soil is limited. This will lead to water shortage for later seasons. If the water shortage is severe, it will lead to drought. To prove this idea, I used more than 30 years of data collected by NASA satellites over North America. By examining evapotranspiration, which measures how much water plant and ecosystem use, I found that during the spring, the plants are getting more active and using more water over the past 30 years. Meanwhile, I examined soil moisture data, which measures how much water is in the soil beneath us. I found that over the same time period, the soil is getting drier during summer. In some years, this dry condition developed into severe droughts, such as the one in 2012 in central United States. This drought cost farmers billions of dollars and triggered widespread wildfire. It turns out that we did enjoy early and warm spring, but this early and warm spring also disrupted water usage plan for plants, and we all suffered. This change shows no sign of stopping. If we do not take proper actions to cope with this change, we will suffer more severe wildfire and summer droughts. Our food supply will also be affected. With findings from my research, we can identify hotspots, which are regions most vulnerable to this change. This will inform local farmers to change their irrigation and planting plans to mitigate losses from future summer droughts. While we're working to stop climate change, my research can help us find ways to mitigate changes and adapt to the changing conditions for the future.